So many firms want to be industry focused, and it's a process to get industry information onto those records. It's hard to even pull a client list. It seems like the most basic thing, but just because you have a contact in your CRM, that doesn't mean you know that person's a client. It doesn't mean that their company is even in the system. But to the attorneys, they're like, why can't we get a list of our clients? Well, it either has to be done manually or it has to be done through an integration with time and billing. Those start at, $10,000 to $25,000 when you're doing your implementation. And that still doesn't get you other data like targeting data, like industries. People want to add industries to the records. Well, to do that, again, you either do it manually and you pay a lot of people to do it, or you go out and you get a subscription to one of the D&B type services and you pay thousands, tens of thousands of dollars for that. And again, you pay an integration, and suddenly you sit down and spend a lot of time matching records, and you can get industries brought into your system. And it's tens of thousands of dollars to maintain that every year. But suddenly I can pull an energy list for my energy seminar, and I can count on, half of a hand how many firms have actually taken that step and bought the data feeds and brought in the business and industry information. See, like with our tree system, we're just bringing that in because it's just so important. It's not maybe going to be perfect, but in law firms, it's funny, the perfect is the enemy of the good. You'll have lawyers see this data and they'll go, oh, well, that little piece isn't right, so therefore the system is bad and I won't use it. But they neglect the fact that yesterday I had nothing, and now 80% of my clients have industries, and I can actually pull the energy list for the energy seminar. And it's a big thing to be able to target and segment and take that off their plates.